Welcome to radicalwellnesstv.com. This is Laura Lee, and I am here to introduce you to a cupping kit. Now, the cupping kit is something that's foreign. As you can see, it's got foreign writing on it. But what you want to do, if you can see this at all, this is a picture of cupping. I can't get the shadow. Okay, there we go. So that's a picture of cupping, but it's ancient medicine. And this is a do-it-yourself kit, because typically what the ancients would do is they would take a cup, like a regular glass cup, and they would put it on your skin. If you have any kind of pain, they would light a match and put the smoke into the cup, and the cup would pull the skin up. So then you would create sort of a suction, so then the circulation will increase to that area, and so we're getting rid of the bad stuff, and the good stuff come in, bad stuff come out, go out, just automatically faster, what the body is doing naturally. So what this is instead is a cupping kit, is a beautiful thing because it uses the suction part, but it's a tool that doesn't use any kind of electricity or matches or anything. And it uses the ancient idea of cupping. Here's the cup. I put it on the end of this. I put it where it hurts on my body. There's different sizes for different areas of the body in case you feel it in your neck or your head or anything like that. You place the cup where you hurt and you pump this until you can see that it creates like a bubble. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if I can get up. Ugh. So you can see what I did here. So it's sitting there like a bubble, which is sort of weird looking in a way, on my knee, but it'll create circulation, the suction will. And then when I don't like it anymore, if it gets uncomfortable, too uncomfortable or anything, all I do is just go ahead and release it. And it should leave like a little red mark or a little bruise on you, which is fine because that's the circulation going to the area. Now you can continue to put it in different places of your body depending on what's going on with you. So this is a good, quick, easy way, instead of sitting there in pain or maybe taking pain medications that you're getting side effects from. You can take this little gizmo, which doesn't cost very much either, and you can go ahead and start cupping yourself. Go ahead and look up cupping for ancient medicine, and you'll see that it's been being used for thousands of years. So this is just an easier, more convenient way of doing it. Anyway, love life, and life will love you back, but if you're in pain, that's hard to do. So get yourself out of pain, go to Radical Wellness TV on YouTube or lauraleewaldorf.com, like, share, comment, and I hope that helps. Anyway, bye-bye for now.